So having almost 30 years in the vehicle security industry, I know what I'm talking about, people. And I'm about to show you the world's most effective immobilisation system. It's from StarLine and it's called the i96. Comes with 2 Bluetooth tags, or you can use a smartphone app on any phone, or tap out a sequence on the dashboard buttons for the vehicle to start. So I'm going to try and start the vehicle without any of those 3 things, and it won't start. I'm going to put the ignition on, I'm going to enter the code. You get confirmation. And the vehicle starts. Okay guys, I'm sitting inside a Mercedes Sprinter. This guy's a delivery driver and he's already had one of these vehicles pinched. So like many van owners, he does not want that to happen. That's his living, so he's in big trouble if that happens. So this is the solution, StarLine i96. So this is a very easy to use but very, very effective immobilisation system. The StarLine i96 not only can blocks, it also has a separate immobiliser so that it's got 2 levels of immobilisation, almost impossible to get round. I'm now going to put the ignition on and put the dash button sequence into the vehicle, which will enable the vehicle to start. You're not going to see me do that, but you're going to hear the confirmation bleep from the StarLine. There you go, you got the confirmation and the vehicle now starts. You can add Bluetooth tags to disarm or use a smartphone as well. Really easy but effective system. Only StarLine engineers can install this, and you'll find there's not that many of us in the UK because StarLine are very choosy on who they use to fit and represent their product.